Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to accept payments, sell products or subscriptions and handle secure checkout on your Lovable website, integrating it with Strip is the gold standard in 2026. So most issues come from using the wrong payments method, unpublished pages, webhook misconfiguration or testing it preview mode. So we will avoid all of that. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to integrate Lovable with Strip in 2026 like a pro. So first thing, create your products and price in Strip. Okay, so in Strip dashboard, go to products. Okay, so you have to have a account first. I don't have any, so go to products. If you have an account, click add products, set product name, description, add the price, one time or recurring, so currency and amount, and then save. So every payment must be tied to a price ID. Okay, so this is the fastest no-code integration. So in Strip, go to payments, tap payments links, create a new link. Okay, select your products or price, configure success page, cancel page, copy the payment link URL. In Lovable, on the other hand, add a button, so set action, open link, paste the Strip payments link, then save and publish. So Strip handles checkout, security, and receipts. Okay, so then tap save, and that's it guys. So this is for today's video. Thank you for watching guys, and see you in the next tutorial.